Hi, this is Jeff Heaton. Welcome to my course, Applications of Deep Neural Networks. This is a course that is taught at Washington University in a hybrid format. Even though this class is designed primarily for students at Washington University, you can also get quite a bit from this class just simply by watching the videos and following along as an internet user. This is the course website. It links right to a GitHub repository that contains all of the course information. Everything in this class is a Jupyter notebook. It's taught in Python using Keras for deep learning. For example, if you look at the very first class session, you will see all of the information that is covered. All of the code is right here in Jupyter notebooks, and you're shown how to actually execute it and work with it throughout this course. Everything that you need for this course is contained on these class notes that I have in Jupyter Notebooks. Here you can see many of the topics that are covered in this. We provide an introduction into Python. It helps if you've taken another programming language prior to this course, but I do show you just enough Python to get you started in the area of deep learning. If you don't know much about Python, or in particular computer programming, you will definitely find this course somewhat challenging as you go through the first classes. We learn about training neural networks, classification and regression, backpropagation, convolution neural networks for computer vision. There's also a Kaggle competition. We learn about regularization, long short-term memory for natural language processing and time series. Specifically, we look at natural language processing, take a look at security, some advanced techniques that I change each semester depending on what recent research is going on, and we look at how you can actually run very high-scale neural networks using AWS, Google Cloud, that sort of thing. One of the more interesting and exciting aspects of this class is we actually do a Kaggle competition. This is an in-class Kaggle competition, so it is a data set that I created for the students to compete against. Here you see the Kaggle competition for the fall 2018 course that is currently underway. There are currently 10 teams competing, made up of both my students and sometimes other people from the internet, and just 2 days to go. If you look at the leaderboard, you can see how these students are ranked. This is an RMSE score. Lower is better. Some students have done more entries than others. There are also 10 programming assignments that occur throughout this semester. Each of them can be automatically assessed by a program that allows you to submit your assignment and have it checked to give you an idea what grade you would get before it. This helps you to learn and eliminate simple mistakes that would cost you points. Well, this is the deep learning class. Whether you are a traditional student at Washington University or somebody following along through the internet, I hope you find this material very useful. Thank you. And if you would like to see additional material that I put out, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.